Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the missile, the deadliest technology. Let's get started. In modern warfare has been transformed by advanced technology, and one of the most powerful innovations is the missile. Missiles are highly sophisticated weapons designed to travel long distance, track targets, and strike with incredible precision. They can be launched from land, air, sea, or even submarines, making them a critical part of modern military strategy. From ballistic missiles that travel through the upper atmosphere to cruise missiles that fly close to the ground, missile technology has become one of the deadliest and most influential forces in modern warfare. Okay, you can see in this image, you can see in this title, missile, the deadliest technology in modern warfare. The title is designed with metallic and glowing effect to make it look powerful and futuristic. And on the left side, you can see ballistic missile launch. A large missile is launching from a mobile launcher truck. Flames and smoke are coming out from the rocket engine as it lifts off into the sky. Okay, you can see in the left side, it's named ballistic missile. And in the center, you can see fighter jet launching a missile. A fighter jet is flying and firing a missile. The missile leaves a bright trail of fire behind it. And at the bottom center, you can see submarine launched at the bottom center. A submarine is emerging from the sea, representing submarine launched missiles used in naval warfare. And in the background, warship and explosion. There are naval warship and a large explosion near the water, illustrating the destructive power of missiles in battle. And at the top right, satellite and radar graphics. A satellite and digital radar graphics symbolize advanced guidance system used in modern missile technology. Overall, this image illustrates how missiles are used across different military platforms, including land, air, sea, submarines, space-based guidance system. In here, I will also give you information about the how missile work. Missiles work through a combination of propulsions, guidance, navigation, and control systems that allow them to travel toward a specific target. First, the missile is launched from a platform such as the ground, a ship, a submarine, or an aircraft. A rocket engine provides powerful thrust that push the missile into the air at very high speed. Second, during flight, the missile uses a guidance system to determine its direction and positions. The system may rely on technology such as GPS, radar, infrared sensors, or satellite navigation to track the target or follow a pre-programmed route. Third, the missile continuously adjusts its direction using small control fins or internal steering systems. These adjustments help the missile stay on the correct path toward the target. Finally, when the missile reaches its target, the warhead detonates. The explanation may be triggered by impact proximity to the target or a timed fuse, depending on the type of missile. In simple terms, a missile works by launching, navigating toward a target, adjusting its flight path, and then detonating when it reaches the target. Here are some well-known missiles owned by Iran, Israel, and the United States. I will explain them in simple for you. Missiles owned by Iran. Iran has one of the largest missile arsenals in the Middle East, including many short, medium, and long-range missiles. For example, Shabab 3 ranges about 1,300 km. Khyber Second ranges about 1,450 km and uses solid fuel. And then Khorram Shahar ranges 1,000 until 2,000 km and can carry a heavy warhead. Ghadar 110 ranges up to 1,950 km. And then Sejil ranges around 2,000 km. Okay, those are example of the missiles owned by Iran. And then missiles owned by Israel. Israel has advanced missile technology and strong missile defense system. For example, Jericho 2 ranges about 1,500 until 3,500 km. Jericho 3 ranges about 4,800 until 6,500 km. Laura ranges about 280 km. Arrow 3 used to intercept enemy ballistic missiles outside the atmosphere. Those are example missiles owned by Israel. Next, missile owned by the United States. The United States has some of the most advanced missiles in the world. For example, Tomahawk missile, a long-range cruise missile launched from ships or submarines. LGM-30 Maintenance 3 ranges over 10,000 km. Trident 2 D5 launched from nuclear submarines. AGM-114 Hellfire used by helicopter and drones. Besides, range missiles can differ in several important aspects such as fuel, guidance system, speed, launch, platform, and warhead type. For example, fuel type. Missile can use different types of fuel. Solid fuel, easy to store, faster launch time, requires less preparation. For example, Sigil. Liquid fuel often provides longer range but needs more preparation before launch. For example, Sabab 3. Guidance system. Missiles use different technologies to find their targets. Common systems include GPS navigation, radar guidance, infrared tracking, laser guidance. For example, AGM 114 Hellfire uses laser guidance to hit precise targets. Flight type. Missiles can travel in different ways. Ballistic missile fly high into the atmosphere, then fall toward the target. For example, LGM-30 Maintenance 3. Cruise missiles fly low like an aircraft, follow terrain, and avoid radar. For example, Tomahawk cruise missile. Launch platform. Missile can be launched from different locations: ground launchers, fighter aircraft, warships, submarines. For example, Dragon 2 D5. Speed. Missiles also differ in speed, so subsonic slower than the speed of sound, supersonic faster than sound, hypersonic more than 5 times the speed of sound. Hypersonic missiles are much harder to intercept. Warhead type. Missiles can carry different payloads: conventional explosive, penetration warheads, cluster warheads, nuclear warheads. Missiles are one of the most powerful technologies used in modern warfare. They are designed to travel long distances, track targets, and strike with high precision. Missiles can be launched from different platforms such as land, aircraft, ships, or submarines. The way missiles work involves several stages: launch, flight, guidance, and detonation. After being launched by a rocket engine, the missile follows a programmed route and uses guidance systems such as GPS, radar, or infrared sensors to locate its target. Different countries such as Iran, Israel, and the United States possess various types of missiles with different capabilities. The main differences between missiles including range, fuel type, speed, guidance system, launch platform, and warhead types. In modern warfare, missiles play a critical role because they combine advanced technology, long-range capability, and high accuracy, making them one of the most significant military tools today. I think enough for the explanation about the missile, the deadliest technology in modern warfare. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time, and goodbye.